This is a muffler here, and today I'm dealing with a little bit of rust. Something so simple, just got to put an exhaust hanger on it because customer hit something in the road, and this is the end result here. So what's happening? Let's see if I can get my light in a good spot. What's happening is, of course, when I try to pull this off, it's just bending, and it's not cooperating. So I cleaned the area, clean the threads really good, the best I could with the wire brush. I'm gonna put it to it again. I'm gonna use some heat to break away the rust, and hopefully I can hopefully it'll work and I can get this off so I can put a hanger on it. Hopefully I got enough gas in here. Alright, let's give it a crack. Broke it loose. Came a little loose. There we go. We'll take some coaching now just to get it off. Try something else. My biggest concern is I don't think it's going to be as cooperative going back on. Alright, got it off. Biggest thing is I guess can I get it back on there? God, the threads are ate up. Yeah. It's no more than what it's supposed to do. I can't imagine it being a problem. The thread looked pretty nice in there. I'll try to put it back on there and put some anti-seize on it. Let it cool down for a while. Damn it, ball. Woo! Let's go back on there. Woo! Shit, it got me. And I mean, it's hot up there, boy. It's hot. Got it on there. Thing is, I know it's not the right side. It's technically supposed to go on that side, but this is not a direct fit one. It's more aftermarket than anything. It'll still work. So the main thing is that this nut here, when I get it back on there, it should hold it in place, keep it from riding off. Let me get this cooled down. Okay, here we go. I took a wire brush and went inside the threads. Yeah, let's see. Go in there. I'll put some in this bolt. There's a nut also. So here it goes. It started, which is great. It's going on there pretty smooth. Oh shit. Oh yeah. It's working out pretty well. Alright, let's see if we can get it on. Socket. Oh, this car is Canadian, by the way. So that's why it has rust on it. It's still hot. way out. So I think I need to put in the anti-seize on the other side there, but all right. Like I said, just because it's not on the other side over there where it flares out, it'll be okay. Shouldn't have to worry about it coming off as long as it's hanging there, so it's not going anywhere. Other than that, this is just use some heat and a little bit of patience, and you can just about work almost anything off that's rusted.